Aloha from Hawaii! Welcome back to my hula course. In this lecture, let's review these hand positions and the steps all together. The practice set is as follows. First, we're going to start off by the hip hand position together with ka'o, kaholo, and hela. We're going to repeat the same thing for upper hand position and the vamp hand position. So let's get started. First, hip hand position together with ka'o. Change the step to kaholo. Next, hela. Let's do the upper hand position together with ka'o. Change your step to kaholo. Now change it to hela. Lastly, let's try vamp hand position together with ka'o. Change the step to kaholo. We're almost there. Change your step to hela. Great job on completing this practice set. Mahalo and see you in the next section.